In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread emails in Gmail. If your inbox feels overwhelming, the fastest way to regain control is to surface the messages you haven't read yet. We'll walk through two quick methods, using Gmail's search to instantly filter unread mail, and adjusting your inbox layout so unread emails appear first. Both are simple, and you can start using them right away. First, let's use the search operator. Open Gmail and tap or click the search bar at the top. Type is unread and press enter. Instantly, Gmail shows every unread message in your account, no matter which folder or label it's in. This works on both the desktop site and the mobile app, so it's handy whether you're at your computer or on your phone. You can narrow that search if you want something more targeted. For example, if you only care about unread messages in your main inbox, type is unread in inbox. That removes newsletters or archived messages from the results and keeps the focus on what's sitting in your primary queue. You can also filter by sender using from, followed by the person's email address, like is unread from sender. Combine these pieces as needed to zero in quickly. The key idea is that is unread is the switch that tells Gmail, show me what I haven't opened, and the other terms help you aim that search where it matters most. Now, if you prefer not to run a search every time, you can change how your inbox is organized so unread items rise to the top automatically. On a computer, open Gmail in your browser. Click the settings gear in the upper right, then choose See All Settings. Go to the Inbox tab. Under Inbox type, select Unread first. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes. When the page reloads, you'll see a dedicated unread section pinned above everything else. New emails you haven't opened will land there, so you can scan them at a glance without digging through the rest of your mail. If you ever want to switch back to the default layout, just return to the same setting and choose Default, then save. That's all there is to it. Use is unread to pull up unread messages on demand and set unread first if you want your inbox to prioritize them automatically. Try one approach or use both together, and you'll spend less time searching and more time acting on what's important.